Prashant sir, your physical education teacher. Today's our topic is gymnastics. So we have Ram sir as a gymnastics coach. He is a national referee, national coach, and he is being associated with Indo Scots as a gymnastics head coach. So Ram sir will tell us the importance of gymnastics.
Hello everyone. So we are going to learn some of drills and exercises which can we do it at home nicely, safely. Okay. So one by one we'll go through the exercises with warm up exercises, stretches exercises, and then we'll do a little bit of rolls, and then we'll do little bit of cardio things which will be take your fitness to the high level. Okay. So we will start with warm up exercises. Okay everyone, so we'll start with general warm up. Okay, so first we will do neck rotation, simple neck rotation. The neck rotation will do with both the side, right and left, clock and anti-clockwise. Then we'll do head up and down. Okay, after that head side. These all exercises you have to do it 10 times. Okay, after that you have to do hands up and down stretch. So the hands will be straight and stretch up and downward. Okay, after that you have to do hand rotation, forward side, as well as you have to do backward side. The hands should be straight from elbows. After that you have to do wrist rotation. Your hand should be straight and tight, only wrist will rotate, clock and anti-clockwise, both the side. After your hands exercise, you have to do it with your mid portion of the body, which is your hip. You have to rotate your hip, clock and anti-clockwise, both the side. You have to do 10 times. Your legs should be still, only your hip portion will be moved round and round. After that you have to do forward and backward bending, 2 times forward, 1 and 2 forward side, and same as back side, 3 and 4. This exercise you have to do 20 times, so that it will come like 1 and 2, and back side 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Same like forward and backward, you have to continue with side bend, 1 and 2, and then another side, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. After side bending, you have to keep your legs apart little bit. Raise your hands on your shoulder level straight, and then you have to do alternate toe touch. Keep your hands straight and look your upper hand side. This alternate toe touch you have to do it 20 times. After alternate toe touch, you have to keep your feet together, lift your one leg up, hold your knee like this, and then you have to move your ankle. Okay, move your ankle round and round. You can do up and down also. If you are not able to do circle, you can do up and down. Both the legs you have to do. Okay, 10 times each. And after this you have to do simple jumping to relax your whole body. Simple jumping will be 20 times. After your simple jump, you have to stretch your body up and do high jump. This high jump you have to do 10 times. After this you have to do tuck jump. Your knees should come up toward your chest. This tuck jump you have to do 5 times. After that you have to go for stretch little bit, and you have to touch your palm down. Okay, you have to touch your palm down and stay there, look forward and count up to 10. 1 to 10 count, hold, and slowly you have to join your leg and come up. This is your full general warm up exercise which you can do it at home. After that we will go for flooring exercise, which you can do it on your yoga mat, or if you have a little bit cushion mat. Okay, so next exercise is the forward roll. That is a simple forward roll. For simple forward roll, you have to sit in the squat position. This is a squat position. Your knees should be joined forward side and heels backward side. Hands side by your thighs, and then you have to go forward and you have to roll and you have to come up with same position. So this roll you have to do little bit faster so that you come with again squat position. Okay, so from beginning you have to do like this. Keep your hands up, hands down, sit down in squat and go forward, hold and stand up. Okay, so this roll you have to do 4 times only. Okay, if you have big mat, you can do it 2 times, one side. Otherwise, you do one side from one roll. Again from that side you have to do another roll. Like that you have to do 4 times. Maximum you have to do 4 times each roll. The next floor roll is straddle forward roll. In the straddle forward roll, there are 2 main positions. Which is first is the straddle stand. You have to stand with your legs apart and hands up. This is your starting position. The ending position is your straddle sit. For straddle sit, you have to do roll on mat. Okay, so we will do roll. You have to lift your hands up. Keep your hands tight from your elbow. Put your hand down and roll and sit in the straddle split position. Okay, this is a straddle sit position. You can keep your hands in front of your stomach or you can keep your hands up and join your leg and come up. The next roll is simple back roll. For simple back roll, you have to sit like a forward roll only but with opposite direction. So keep your legs joined like this. Okay, and sit down in squat position, same like forward roll, and from here you have to go backward side and you have to little bit hold your legs and pull backward side and put your hands like this under your shoulder. This is a simple back roll. From either side you can do it, same thing. Sit down, feet together, knees together, okay, and then go back and finish the back roll. Okay, this roll you have to do it 4 times. Okay. In the roll section, the next roll is running roll. It is same like a forward roll, but just before the roll you have to little bit run. 2-3 steps you have to run. Okay. For running roll you have to stand straight, feet together. Okay, and then you have to take some steps and feet together joint, and then you have to go and stand up. Okay, this is a basic roll. You can do it from either side if you have big space. So again, take some steps, join your leg, sit down, roll and come. Okay, next exercise is cartwheel. Cartwheel is a very important and advanced level exercise. So for cartwheel, you have to stand straight, put your one leg forward, okay, both the hands up. In the cartwheel, you have to keep your hands straight from your elbows and it will be very stiff. And for next level, you have to lift your one leg up, put your leg down slowly, and then you have to go for cartwheel like this. The leg you are forwarding, the same hand will touch first on the mat, okay. So I will show you the full cartwheel, how it look like. Okay, keep your one leg forward, hands up, lift your leg up, and then you have to go for cartwheel, and then you have to land like this. Okay, your body should be straight. I'm showing you the same cartwheel with either side. Okay, again your one leg forward, hands up, lift your leg up, and then you have to go for cartwheel and land. So this is the basic level cartwheel. Okay, the next exercise we are going to learn is wall handstand, which is very important for your shoulders and your palm, wrist muscles, and you can learn balancing. So for wall handstand we have to use a plain wall. Okay, in front of wall you have to stand like this with your feet together. You have to sit down. You have to put your hands. Your hands should be tight. You have to put your hands down and you have to slowly lift your leg up on the wall and stay there and hold there. Look at your fingers downwards. Hold for 3 count. 1, 2, 3 and slowly come down and sit in the Vajrasana pose. The next balancing exercise is headstand. For headstand you have to balance your body on your head. Okay, so for same thing we are doing headstand with wall support. Okay, so in front of wall you have to sit down. You have to put your hands, both the hands down, as well as you have to touch your head down in between your hands and slowly lift your leg up and stay there for 3 count. 1, 2, 3. Come down slowly and sit in one. The next hold exercise is sleeping back arch. For sleeping back arch, you have to lie down on your mat. Okay, keep your legs straight like this. Lie down. Take your back arch position with bend hand and bend leg, both the leg bend and hands bend, and you have to lift your body on your hands and leg and hold for 3 seconds, like 1 and 2, 3. Lift your body 1, 2, 3 and slowly touch your head down. Come down slowly. Keep your legs straight. Hands back to the position and come up and sit down. The next exercise is T-balance. You can say it aeroplane pose. Okay. For this exercise, you have to join your leg together first and stand straight. Put your one leg forward. Okay. Lift your hand to your shoulder level. Bend down forward and slowly lift your backside leg up. Okay, as much you can. So from sideways it will look like this. Hands up, one leg forward and lift your leg, back leg little bit up as much you can and stay there for at least 3 count, like 1, 2, 3. This is your T balance, which can you call aeroplane balance. The next exercise is jump and full turn, that is jump and 360 turn. You have to stand straight, feet together, keep your hands up. You have to take swing with your hands, little bit bend down with hands down, and then you have to swing upward and then you have to turn. So you have to jump and turn and land. Okay? The position will be the same when you are starting. After your warm up, your basic rolling exercises, we will do little bit of fast forward fitness exercise. For that, we will first do jumping jack, normal jumping jack. You have to do legs apart, hand side, up, down and join. Little bit faster, like this. You have to do jumping jack. This will be the simple jumping jack and you have to do 20 counts for this. The next exercise is squat jump and push up. For squat jump and push up, you have to sit down in squat position and you have to do high jump and again sit in the squat position. Then you have to throw your leg back, lie down for push up pose, press and come up, again sit in squat and then again high jump. This squat jump push up exercise you have to do 10 times.
Now here we have completed gymnastics exercise. I hope you have enjoyed. I thank Ram sir to give his precious time. Stay home, stay fit. Thank you.